guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now this video is sponsored by Luvmehair, and they sent me this pre-bleached, pre-plucked and pre-styled wig. Okay, this wig came curled just like this. I literally took it out the box and I had to record it because I wanted to show you guys that it came curled, giving synthetic. I keep on saying it, but synthetic in a way where the curls are there regardless of what you do, unless you wash it, of course, because it's human hair. But you get what I'm saying. But before we jump into the installation of this wig, let me just show you guys what they sent to me inside the package. So the wig came in this box. It did come in, yeah, so the wig came inside this box. So the wig came inside this box. Everybody knows, like, Luvmehair, like, I am always doing videos on them literally every month. But they sent me the bag to put the wig in when I'm done wearing it. I don't know when I'm gonna take this wig off because it's actually giving what it's supposed to give, like, you know. They sent me this little pouch with some clip, which I don't need to use, some earrings, and some lashes. I already have lashes on, so I didn't really need to use that. And some hair guide, user guide type of card, like, you know, their thank you, how to wash hair care and all of that. And obviously this wig. I can't remember I think this wig is a 24 inches. I think it's 24 inches, but it's very thick. Like, it is very, very thick and voluptuous, and it's just giving what it's supposed to give. Now, if you guys want to see how I got this look, and if you guys want to see that I'm not lying, that this wig came like this and I didn't really do anything, like, I did, like, literally just sprayed the baby hair, just sprayed the edges and blow dried it, and the wig is on my head. That's all I did, guys. Like, literally, and a little bit of hot combing, but that's it. But anyways, if you guys want to see how I got this look, then definitely keep on watching. Okay guys, so this is in the middle of the wig. This is how it came. I literally showed you guys exactly how it came outside, the packaging, everything. Like, I'm gonna put it on the screen somewhere so you guys can see, but this is literally how I got it. Took it out of the box. The only thing I did with this wig was pluck it a little bit, not even a lot, was literally a little bit. Like, I didn't do much. So, you know, let's get ready. Pull this to the front. It's actually the 1-2 let's go type of wigs for me. Like, can you imagine this wig was already curled?
full body do-rag out.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the koala in my shorty bag. You know she one of mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. This that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. This that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I die. Fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Feel my babies, sending action. These days no kumaye, niggas be past tense. Living in the middle, this shit might drive you mad. Ain't it pretty middle, but this life shit ain't all bad. Bloody, bloody murder, there ain't no second chances. Just do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. And I'm stutter till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. And I'm stutter till I die.
Okay guys, so this is pretty much the end of this video, and I must say I haven't had a wig like this in a long time, where I'm just like in love with this wig. Like, it's literally giving Levo. Guys, I didn't do anything to this wig. Are you understanding? Like, nothing. I didn't curl it, you know, like I didn't do no baby hairs or nothing. Like, this wig was so easy to install. Honestly, I normally give wigs like 9.5 out of 10 just because I'm like, oh, it needs a little, but this is a 10 out of 10. I do not care. Imagine it melted without glue. It melted, no baby hairs, nothing. And the curls, I don't know if it's because, well, probably because it's like I got it curled like this, so the curls were really set in place. But guys, this is no product at all, no oil, no nothing. I didn't curl, I didn't touch this wig at all with any form of iron, only like my my hot comb to flatten the top, but that was it. And it's literally giving leave out. And the thickness of this wig too, honestly, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10, and I do not care. 10 out of 10. I can't even stop touching the wig. But if you guys do want to purchase this, oh my god, like, this wig is so nice. It is so nice. Like, what? This wig is so nice. Oh, child. Anyways, yeah, if you guys would like to purchase this wig, then definitely check the links inside the description box. I will have the links and the description of the wig inside the description box. Yeah, once again, I would like to thank Luvmehair for sponsoring this video, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.